Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a report on your Smartsheet account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to click on the create. So as you can see, we have to go to the our account, and after going to the account, we need to go to the home section. And after going to the home section, you will get the plus icon here. So we have to click on the plus icon, and after clicking on the plus icon, you will be able to see the report option here. So we need to click on the report option. As you can see now, the row report as a sheet summary report. For example, I want the row report. So after that, we need to provide the name here. For example, I want to write the bank report here. So let's write the bank report, and then simply we have to hit the OK. And after clicking on the OK, it will take few seconds in generating your report. So we need to wait until it generates. It's up to your device configuration and internet speed. So we need to wait until it generates. So as you can see now, it's generated. And let's click on the get started. So as you can see now, the report is created. So now we need to choose the location. For example, I'm going to choose this one, sheets, and let's click on the next, and I'm going to click on the next again. So as you can see now, let's click on the apply, and now it will be applied. So as you can see now, it's created here. Now you can edit, you can add the information here, like the primary way and the sheet name. Each and everything is provided here. You just need to edit it, and you can use it as per your need. So after that, you can, if you want to share this, you can also share that. You have to click on the share icon, and you will be able to share this. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create your report on the Smartsheet account. So see you guys in the next video.